Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to replace the Fisher and Paykel Evora Nasal mask cushion in this video. The Evora mask is a fan favorite because of its snug cap-fit headgear and soft design. Its special compact seal creates a soft fit beneath the nose and keeps the mask securely in place all night as you sleep. The silicone material of the cushion is so flexible that it gently wraps around the base of the nostrils and can adapt to any face shape. To replace the cushion of this mask, start by simply pulling the headgear off. Turn the cushion and tubing around and use your thumb to gently push to disconnect them from each other. Once you've cleaned or replaced your cushion, attach it back to the tubing. You will hear a soft click indicating it's properly in place. Push the headgear down onto the frame. To make it easier, use where they clip onto as a guide. You will also hear a click letting you know that your mask is connected and secure. Your mask is ready for use again. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. If you have any questions, call our team at 866-414-9700. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips, product reviews, and more.